file transfer protocol. So FTP protocol is used to transfer the data from your client machine to the server machine. Like we upload some files, some videos or some other PDF file, etc. to the server. It may be OneDrive, or you are uploading to your Instagram or Facebook. So it uses the file transfer protocol FTP to upload the data, or you can also download the data from the server. Like some the data, some MP3 file, some you have uploaded on the OneDrive, or some resume you have uploaded on the OneDrive, and you want to download it from there. So we can upload and download the data by using the FTP protocol. In JMeter, we can configure the FTP protocol, and we can increase the number of users to monitor its performance. So now I am using some dummy FTP server. This is the dummy FTP server I am using with the username and password. So let us see if it works or not. So in the test plan, right click, add simple thread user, and again in the thread user, add sampler, and here you will find FTP request. Like we have configured the SMTP, we have configured the JDBC in our previous lecture. So same thing, you have to configure the FTP request. And in the server name, this is the FTP server. Okay, this is the FTP server name. So I can just copy from here, and I will add the FTP server name. Okay, username and the password. This is my username. Username. This I have, and this is my password. This is a dummy basically. So basically, this is a dummy site. This is the URL if you want to try. Okay, this is a site basically, DLP test. Okay, and this is a dummy site only. FTP test. So this is the link. Okay, this is the link, and from here only I have just copied this thing: FTP URL, FTP user, and FTP password. So this is the dummy site only from where I have downloaded. I have copied this thing. Okay, and I'm trying to use it over here. So I just passed this server name, username, and the password. And now what I want to do, I want to put, that is I want to upload the data. Get means I want to download the data. Put means I want to upload the data. So I will click on say put. Okay, and from where I want to put, from the local file. Okay, so you have to give the path of the local file. So I take some path from here. Say so this is my file APM. This is a world file. Okay, docx. This is the name of the file. So I'll take the path, that is I want to upload this file. So it can be image file, or it can be any video file or anything. Okay, content of the file is optional. If you want to write, so you can write, otherwise you can leave it. Now I will save it again. JMeter example says some error is there. Actually URL is not working. Let me see. URL is not working, this one. So you can check from this option, log viewer also, what is the exact error. Okay, no problem. But that is only the thing. Actually, this URL is not working. This one, the server, it is not able to connect to this server. That is error. So if there is any FTP server, so I'll tell you. Or there is a port also. Just a second. FTP test username password. Files will be stored for terminal to ftp.com. If you want to download, then use the get, and in the get you have to give the location of the remote file which you want to download, and when you want to upload, you have to put, and you have to give the local file address, and you have to give the server name and the username password. That's it. But it is not working due to error in the URL basically. I think it is now working. No, it is not working. Same error. Connection exception. Connection timed out. Okay, so there is some problem with the connection string or some URL problem. Otherwise, it will work. Okay, so I covered all these things with you.